All right, let's jump right in. Here's the fastest way to get your IPTV players installed. You know the feeling, right? Trying to type a super long URL with a TV remote. It's a pain. Well, the solution is super simple: downloader codes. Just think of them as shortcuts. So why use them? They're way faster, super easy for newbies, and safe with good sources. Okay, let's get to the good stuff. Here are the top 5 player codes you need to know. Kicking things off at number 1 is IPTV Smarters Pro. This one's a huge fan favorite. And here's the code you'll need. Just pop this into the downloader app. People love it because it's clean, easy to use, and supports pretty much any playlist. Coming in at number 2 is IBO Player. This is a premium option known for great performance. To get it, just punch this code right into Downloader. Super fast. It's got some really high-quality streaming and even works on LG and Samsung smart TVs. All right, number 3 is TV Mate. This one was practically made for your big screen TV. Here's the code you'll need for it. TV Mate is a real powerhouse for TV lovers. Its interface is just beautiful, and the program guide is super advanced. A total game changer. Next up, at number 4, we've got BOB Player. This one is simple, efficient, and just works. Just enter this short code and you'll have BOB Player on your device in no time. What's great about this one is its stability. It's simple, solid, and reliable. And rounding out our list at number 5 is XCIPTV Player. It's super lightweight but packed with features. Here's the code for XCIPTV. It's really light and speedy, perfect for some devices. It's awesome for Firesticks because it's so light and doesn't need any extra apps. So how do you actually use these codes? Don't worry, it's a super simple 5-step process. But wait, this next part is really, really important, so listen up. See, these apps are totally empty. They're just the players, there's no content inside. To actually watch shows or movies, you have to add your own IPTV subscription. The source, for example, points to a service like Prime 4K TV because it's compatible. And there you have it, all the codes you need to make your setup way, way easier.